It's the lion, guys. Oh shit, I didn't know mine was fancy. Oh my god, it's a pigeon! Look at that, Gemma!
It's a frog.
I know! I don't know where we're going, but it's day 4. I'm wearing a tie-dye shirt and just some gray biker shorts. What building is this, baby? Mirage Hotel?
Mirage Hotel?
Yeah, we're at the Mirage Hotel. Look at that. Check that out. Yeah, falls. Water fountain. Look, I think I belong here. I just took a picture over there. And the ceiling is like, I think it's Australia ceiling. Correct me if I'm wrong. Babe, do you have your military ID?
Yeah.
Oh, he got it.
No, otherwise our next dolphin training will be in about.
Are they all that big?
They're so huge. What's the name of this place?
Mirage, dolphins.
Look at the dolphin.
Secret Garden.
Secret Garden. We're here at the Secret Garden. So I think our Starbucks are not allowed like the lid and straw, so I had to throw it away. So I just got this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Ready, Jeffrey? Where's Jem at? Jem, you ready, Jem? Yeah. Nice. Look at him from underwater.
This is Secret Gardens at the Mirage.
How much was the ticket? $22?
Yeah.
For adults?
I think so. It's like 80 something altogether, so.
Oh, for 7 of us?
Adults, so like 17 bucks, 23 bucks. So. 17 bucks.
Oh, gotcha. Hey guys, so we're gonna see the dolphins in like 5 minutes. Show. Do I have to sit somewhere?
Go sit over there and
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good. My name's Steph. I'll be taking your photos. So we'll be bringing you over in just a couple of minutes. Okay? Awesome. If you're ready, I'll be using this slider. Towards the center again. And if your children do have anything in their hands today, such as pacifiers, bottles, or toys, please be sure that you're holding on to those items for your kids. Again, we want to make sure nothing's going into the pools with our dolphins. However, we are aware that accidents happen, so if something does end up on the other side, just make the fish that they eat, and we do give them fresh water with those fish as well. Just like us, the more fresh water we have, the better, so the dolphins can get extra fresh water as well.
Look.
I are seeing some guests over the pool wall. These guests are participating in prepaid interactive programs. They should be the only guests over the pool wall at this time. This is our meet and greet program that you're viewing here. This one is $50 per person. You get to feed, touch, and take a photo with our dolphins today. We do offer this program again at 3:30. We offer a variety of other interactive programs as well. Space is highly limited for all those programs, however, so if you're interested.
Wait, lions and tigers? Nice. Lions and tigers. Inside, oh my god, that's a tiger. Woo-hoo. Is that a real one? Oh, I thought it was a statue for a second. Oh my god.
Right.
that? Oh, there's another one over there.
They're all around here.
That's a Bengal. He's taking a rest.
Okay, he's taking a rest. And then this one is, oh my god. Oh my god, look. Aww. He's probably tired.
He's beautiful too. Come here, bud, look.
Yeah, it's a big tiger, dude. Look at it.
Have any questions? Do you guys give touches? The average question? Yes. So typically it's about 15. If I get that position, if I apply for it.
Hey, buddy.
Right now I'm just
I need the buddy. I will eat you.
He's wondering. Look at that, stripes. He's so heavy.
I can't believe that. Shot it up.
Off to see the lion. That was the tiger earlier, making noises. He said he's single. Oh, it's another white one, baby.
Huh?
It's another white tiger.
There you go. There's another one sleeping. Oh.
It's just chilling.
They got two of them.
It's chilling.
So they had a litter, and two of them were white and one of them was regular.
Yeah, they come out different colors.
Okay, where's the is it here or over there?
Oh snap! I don't know.
I don't know. I didn't even think.
I think it's somewhere probably there.
What's over there?
I don't know.
Nothing over there.
Alright, let's go here. Alright, we're gonna see the lion. Since we saw the tigers already, off to see the lion. It's the lion, guys. There's a leopard too, baby, over there. It's just sleeping. Just chilling. Over there. Alright, we're done.
It's not one in here. We gotta go out.
Going to, I gotta pee so bad. It's just sad that they're there. Oh. Look at that. I was playing with the balls.
That's cool. They said it's no balls. Oh, that's a weighted ball.
Oh.
Getting them jackets.
Oh, jackets? Oh.
Think of something else, man. I don't know.
We're getting Nacho Daddy and hot and juicy crawfish
What's summertime?
for brunch.
I don't know, man. It's summertime.
Plus we're going to the mall after. There's my daddy.
I have no idea. Still knows what they want.
Hello.
On our way to Nacho Daddy. Is it here?
Yep, that's it.
Oh, right here. Love. That's the New York over there. Yeah. Alright, so we're going to the Nacho Daddy. You guys want to sit outside?
I don't think there'll be enough 7 tables.
She thought she was the other Nacho. Yum! Oh my goodness. Was that for Gemma? Yours was big? For kids menu? He's gonna like it.
Can I get a video of this? Be like, set it up on.
Oh, yeah, sure, go ahead.
Get the camera. Ready?
Yeah. Oh shit, I didn't know. Mine was fancy. Thank you.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thanks. Oh, can you get this for me? Oh, later. Oh, yeah. You're pregnant, maybe?
Nacho baby. Got a nacho baby.
Get a nacho baby.
I just don't think I can do it no more.
Hi, honey. Look at her. Gemma. Gemma. Look at you, pretty girl. All right, we're on our way back to condominium.
Jen, there's a car.
On the way back. Oh, we're here.